This is Nakivubo Stadium in Kampala, Uganda. It was opened in 1926 on a piece of land donated by the King of Buganda. This stadium has been renovated for over 3 times, and the first time was in 1954, which was under the colonial masters, who did this in memory of the people that took part in the World War II. It was also home for local teams Simba FC and KCCA, plus other important events and music concerts. This is the Nakivubo Stadium being worked upon, and I guess this side looks like the VIP. The other side where you see the gate looks like the VIP, like you come from this side and enter the lock, because there is another gate at the extreme end somewhere there, meaning it's the VIPs that will be sitting there. Where the shades are going to be erected, I also don't know. Erected, but I see as if they're going to put pillars here, which will be mounted with shades for revealers to sit and enjoy. While we are here, there are some other content creators that have been allowed to come in with Wode Maya. Down there is Mbabazi Ray of Uganda, of Connect with Uganda. Then there is Harriet Anabo right there. Then I see a security personnel trying to chase someone out, because this place is out of bounds, man. A few people that have been permitted is me and some other people, and reason is because of Wode Maya. You can see other people holding, those people that are not putting on reflector jackets, those are the people. That is how the stadium looks. It's muddy. All I know, they're going to drive away the mud, this mud. After driving away the mud, then artificial turf will be laid. I'm out. Let me show you around. Hey guys, I'm here at Nakivubo Stadium. It's being revamped. Yes, this is Ham's work. Ham was tendered by the government to work on this stadium. It is a war memorial stadium. Well, I'm forgetting the whole history, but this is the stadium, and it's still muddy here, but I think they are on the final touches of the stadium. They are about to start fixing the seats. As you can see, these seats are just placed here. They're not yet fixed, but with time they will be fixed, and we shall be enjoying this pitch. What do you think about this pitch? Well, it has taken more time than the government had. A lot of work is still going on, as you can see, but I can say the playground is 80% complete. I'll say 80% complete, because I remember I came at this place while they were digging up the foundation, and it was so tough. They built the foundation, and as you can see, the stairs are going upwards, so meaning downwards there are shops, and these shops already functioning. Yeah, it's amazing. Let's see when it's complete how it will look like and how it will be doing it. You may be there asking why we made it here or why I'm here. The reason as to why I'm here, this place is out of bounds, but I'm here because of Wode Maya. He is down there speaking to UG Connect. Wode Maya got permission from Ham, the owner of Ham Villas, Ham Shopping Grounds in Kampala. He's a known businessman, and Wode Maya got chance of interviewing him. Like, they are close right now, because he'll be coming back tomorrow to interview Ham at his office. That's the reason we are here. That's the reason we've been given permission. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be here. Yeah, that's how it looks. I've always wanted to see how it looks inside, but it still has a lot of soil, piles of soil. I don't know where they come from, but I think they're going to be driven out. Then after being driven out, it's the turf next. What else are they going to do? I don't know, but as far as I know, you can see that ring around the stadium. We've been told that's where the billboards are going to be fixed. Billboards, not screens.
Many associations, and I hope you guys have been having a good experience. I would say it like that. Because imagine if all we knew about Uganda was you that you made prayers about when you're deported.
Yeah.
But now that you're back, and I mean to show you a different side, welcome to show you around the beautiful country. So I think it's great that it has been a positive thing. So there are beautiful sides of Uganda which you guys need to know about. And obviously the audience is going to know, and the audience and beyond Africa and beyond are going to know about this beautiful side of Uganda. So I think it's great because you have a big audience, and it's great that you just put it out there. So we really appreciate that.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think for me, this time around, Uganda has been so nice. I mean, the last time, I never said like things were bad. I had a great time, but when I was leaving, that's when everything happened. But I think I made a mistake judging whatever happened at the airport as like a collective kind of thing, what the country represents. But to be honest, I've had an incredible time, not just with the tourism board or with the government, but with the people. Any person that I meet on the street, the first thing they say is that, oh, we are so sorry for what happened to you the last time. We love you. Thank you so much for coming back. I went to Jinja. A whole village came, Maya. I felt like Museveni that day, man. But I'm not. I'm not. This is a love that the people of Uganda have showed me, and I don't take it for granted. I will do all I can to put the country on the map. I'll do all I can to be an unofficial ambassador for the country. I mean, the tourism board even requested if I would love to be an ambassador. Like for me, I just want to stay behind, support every African country in my own way. So I want to encourage everyone. What I've seen in Uganda, you all should come and experience it too.
Because there'll always be those negative pictures. But I think the bigger picture is that Ugandans are very welcoming, just and warm people.
They're amazing.
So
Ugandans are amazing.
So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for this opportunity for us to see here. Because now the public is going to that actually something is happening here. Because there is no public access here, but now we're going to update it. So
please, don't update now, eh? When you want to update, please let me know. Thank you.
Okay, I will. Okay, thanks for your time.
You're welcome. All right. Bye.